How to use Standard Chartered Priority Banking Visa Infinite Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The Standard Chartered Priority Banking Visa Infinite card offers premium benefits, but beginners often misuse it, missing out on rewards and perks. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't fully understand the benefits. From airport lounge access to concierge services, failing to activate or claim these perks means losing significant value. Another common mistake is overlooking rewards categories. The card provides higher cashback or points for select categories like dining and travel. Not using it strategically results in fewer rewards. Many users neglect payment deadlines. Late payments can lead to high interest charges and may affect credit scores. Setting reminders ensures you stay on top of payments. Ignoring annual fees and fee waivers is another trap. The card has a premium annual fee, but priority banking clients may be eligible for waivers if certain conditions are met. Not checking could mean unnecessary expenses. Finally, beginners often overlook foreign transaction benefits. The card may waive FX fees or provide travel protection abroad. Not using it for international spending leaves money on the table. In conclusion, using Standard Chartered Visa Infinite properly means understanding and claiming perks, optimizing rewards, paying on time, checking for fee waivers, and leveraging foreign benefits. Avoiding these mistakes maximizes the card's value.